Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make a very interesting dessert. If you're looking for something sweet and healthy and you don't know what, this is the perfect recipe for you. So this is a coconut and dates fudge that is super healthy, super easy to make, no baking involved, and it's super delicious as well. So let's get started. For the coconut date fudge, the ingredients are very simple. We will need 100 grams shredded coconut, 100 grams of pitted dates, 100 grams of organic honey, but if you would like the vegan version, you can replace it with maple or agave syrup, vanilla bean paste for that vanilla flavor, and 25 grams of organic coconut oil. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need a food processor, or I will actually use the this kind of like small blender. But the best option is a food processor because we need to mix all the ingredients. So first thing, I'm going to chop the dates. If you are using a food processor, you don't need to chop the dates. You just put them inside, and the job is done. Now transfer the dates the coconut oil, the vanilla paste and the honey, and blitz it to form a paste. So our paste is formed. Now just add the shredded coconut inside and mix it well until all the ingredients are incorporated. So I use my hands to incorporate all the ingredients because it's quite sticky. If you are using the hands as well, make sure that they are clean because this is a no-bake dessert, so we don't want anything inside. So in a square baking tray, just place your mixture and press it down. A very good trick of doing desserts or pressing something down, just use a glass with a flat bottom part and just make sure that you are pressing and make an even layer. It's going to be about 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters, depending on how big is your actual tray. I have here like about 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters tray. So this is our fudge. I'll put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours to set, or in the freezer for about half an hour, and after I'm just going to cut it in squares. So I kept my fudge for about 30 minutes in the freezer. It's ready to come out, so I'm just going to slice it, cut it in 3 more or less even pieces. So you have 9 delicious, super sweet and super healthy desserts and snacks. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. So this was my recipe of how to make a healthy dates and coconut fudge. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a healthy, interesting and quick recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.